An HD sync box is not something I even knew existed, but this was a product that they sent us here to test out, and I wasn't sure what to do with it or even what to think about it. I took it out, and I won't lie, connecting it to your television was intimidating, but really once I started, everything's labeled and they tell you how to walk through the connection. So what are we talking about? It's literally gonna be lights or light strips that go behind your TV or computer monitor, and then they change color based on what's coming through the HDMI. I've got a video of our kind of setup over here. You can see I initially set this up on the back of a computer monitor using the hooks they sent. So this is like a non-permanent attachment. Here's my computer monitor in the dark, and then with the lights on, huge difference in the back. And this is just me using the USB lights that kind of come as part of this kit. Now, I also hooked it up to my television so that I could test the HDMI, and you can see the lights on the back of the TV literally changing colors as I'm flicking through some of the photos I took. And so the lights, again, the USB lights that run through this are gonna change color based on what you're displaying on your TV or your computer monitor. And everything that you need to set this up is right in the kit itself. It comes with an HDMI cable. You're gonna need one more, and ideally that's just coming from your Xbox or PlayStation or TV. Whatever your HDMI is going to your television set now, you're just gonna connect to this box. And then it comes with two USB powered light strips that you'll put on the back of your television. They come with like sticky stuff already on them. You can just rip that off and stick it to the back of your monitor, or you can use the hooks that they sent, which I really liked. It was an easy way to just clip those on the back of the TV and kind of put it up and position it. Now, after you get this set up, you can use either the buttons on the front of this, or you can use the remote that they send along to change things like the mode or the brightness or turn it on and off. Literally everything you need to get it going right in the box. And then the setup part, you're gonna wanna pay attention to those instructions because there's a part that you'll go through to set up and kind of tell it what's the top of your TV and the side of your TV. And it makes such a difference as you're going through and maybe watching your favorite movies later, or going through pictures, or really just on the back of your computer monitor. It adds a lot of great brightness. Everything that comes in the box was well packaged and well documented, and I'm really excited to go back now and start watching movies where the whole back of the TV is lit up to kind of match exactly what you're seeing on the screen. So this worked great for us, and hopefully it does for you as well.